Ellie, look at Dana.
Cheese.
Eat your chips.
Cheese. Cheese.
What are you eating, girls?
Alexa.
What are you eating?
Is that a potato chip? Chip.
Courtney, what do you have?
What is it?
Mama.
Is it chip?
Mama.
See Mama.
Mama.
See Mama.
Mama.
Where is Mama?
Yeah.
He says that word.
Cold.
In the car. She's working to make money so she can buy diapers and clothes and toys and juice. Juice.
Juice. I mean juice.
Pick it up. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Good girls. That should be about long enough.
Cheers.
Can you cheer with your drink? Cheer with your drink. Courtney, cheers. Cheers. Cheers.